Good morning, everyone. My name is Yun Zhang. I'm the CEO and founder of Mobileware. We do mobile applications service. One of our apps is called OnTime. Our goal for the OnTime is really to make commuting easy. Press the wrong button. Sorry, I'm more of a Mac user. Okay. Right now, OnTime is available in 4 major cities. We're in New York, covers service Long Island Railroad, Metro North. And we're also in New Jersey, which is New Jersey Transit, and we're also in Chicago, Chicago Metro. So the app is actually fully developed, and currently it's generating some revenue to advertising models. And we're also in the process of developing location-based advertising. So overall, we have about 1.7 million downloads and 84 million yearly ad impressions and 46 million years trips that's been taken. Okay, these are the. So right now we have 4 apps, 1 app for each city. Our mission is really to try to learn what we did and combine everything into one and scale it up into multiple cities. So this is one of the new prototypes that we're working on, which is trying to consolidate all the offering into one app. So regardless where you are, you could actually download, if you're in Chicago, you should download the Chicago schedule. We're looking to move into 100 different cities by the end of 2018. So in addition to that, we're looking to provide additional service offering. For example, wouldn't it be great that if you could, along your commute, you could do your end-to-end, your first mile and last mile. So if you go, let's say if you go to Penn Station and you need a ride, you're running late for a meeting, you need a ride, just click to here and you order your ride right here. Another thing is that with all the users base that we have, we could actually offer users contents that they are interested in. They might be interested in the train. They may have a lot of downtimes, and they may be doing some shopping or ticketing. So this is one of the areas that we're thinking about doing, which is offer a ticketing service directly inside the app. Of course, this will require partnership and with the transit agencies. This is one of the sample ads that's ran in our app during last year Christmas time. Macy had an ad that's running for a coupon. So these are the type of service that we could offer to our users. Why OnTime? We actually receive a lot of, our app right now is ranking close to 5-star ranking in the App Store. But this one in particular really summarized the essence of the app. This is by David Polk from New York Times. Just the simple act of opening the app shows you the next train automatically, complete with details like peak or off-peak, duration, stops, and so on. And of course, all the subsequent trains for the day, and one more tab shows you the return train information. Beautiful, efficient, time-saving, and free. I couldn't say it better than him. So again, our app is top ranked in the app stores in the navigation section. It's really easy to use, and we have an algorithm that calculates the shortest path. This slide did not come out too well, but the first one is supposed to be Google, and the second one is Facebook. These are based on the average annual revenue per user model. This model is used mainly for a company who does mainly advertising business model. So on the last end, again, the slide did not translate too well from the map, but that's our currently up number. So there's a lot of room to grow here. Again, our business this is the roadmap that we have. Right now, we are sort of the first stage, really banner ads, and we're looking to get into deals and offering deals and coupons directly to consumers. In addition, we're looking into the ride-share space, which is provide user first mile and last mile. I think the projection again, there's probably some loose translations. The first column is our current revenue, and the second column is 2016, and then the 3 years, 2017, 18, and 19. The second slide is really talking about the e-commerce portion with the deals and coupon ticketing, and the third table is our revenue projection or estimates for the first mile and last mile. It's really based on if 0.1% of our users take one car ride per day. Let's say assuming average ride is 20 bucks, and let's say our commission is 20% commission, which is lower than a lot of competitors. And those are the average revenue projection based on the current number of users we have. So our users growing. Right now we have reached about 1.8 million users. The market is actually huge. It's about 10 billion commuting trips a US alone. The number that I gave to you before from the 46 million, we are actually less than 1% of it. And same thing for the agency that provide the format that we are based on. We are actually less than 0.5% as well. So our marketing plan is really simple. It's really to build the best commuter app that's useful and easy to use. We have received partnership requests from major credit card companies, also ride-hailing companies, and candidates that's running for mayor. And companies want access to our data. These are just few items that we think that we could potentially take this to, is to market directly to local sports teams if they want to reach out to commuters. Brand ad agencies, because these agencies deals directly with the big Fortune 500 companies that has needs for digital ads. And partnership with transit agency for ticketing. These are our competitions. These are big ones, Google and Apple Map. So first of all, when people think of Google and Apple Map, they think about map-based driving. They normally don't think about commuting, right? They actually do have the information, but we actually do it better because we focus on commuting alone. I'm going to give a short on time, so I'm going to breeze through here. This is a little bit something about myself. I have a 20 years experience in software development and management. I have out of which 13 years were in the financial companies where I create internal apps for different parts of the department. I have 8 years experience in mobile apps, and I have generated over 3 million from the app stores. And this is my team. Right now we are engineering heavy. And user proceeds. We're looking to raise 2.5 to 5, and the proceed is allocation.